Need a hand with your broken shoulder? Let's see the damage. First, disassemble the arm. Apply cement on the cracked areas. Press firmly to bond them back. Then cure for 24 hours. Next, we'll add reinforcement using flat runner. File till flat and thin. I made a curved 1-2 for the sides. For this we need cut into small pieces. Add cement to the areas to be reinforced. Place each thin plate on the cracked areas. Add more cement to ensure bond. Apply a bit of pressure and cure for 24 hours. After curing, we get this. Assemble again the arm. Repair complete. This is a common issue with wing EW kits, and we can repair it with this technique. Tag your friend if they need this fix, and don't forget to like, follow and share.